Hi, I'm Mason Dukacek, psychometric test expert. Over the last 2 decades, the material in my book, Sales Utopia, has helped companies use psychometric tests to get the most from their existing employees and avoid hiring disasters too. Here's a question for you. Would you agree that your hiring decisions are only as sound as the facts on which they're based? Me too. The problem you have is that the experts say that over 30% of resumes are embellished and almost 70% of applications are too. So for the sake of discussion, let's say that half of the information you have is accurate. The problem you have is knowing which half is the truth. On top of that, if you can't differentiate when applicants are telling you what they think you want to hear instead of the truth, your probability of successfully hiring the right person will continue to shrink. That's why the best pre-employment assessments and psychometric tests have built-in lie scales, or distortion scores as they're commonly referred, to let you know when applicants are trying too hard to tell you what they think you want to hear. For example, an applicant might get asked whether or not they've ever argued with their parents. A candid applicant is likely to say yes and move on to the next question. Someone trying to beat the test might say no because they don't want you to think that they'd argue with their coworkers, supervisors, or customers if they admit to arguing with their parents. Lie scales and distortion scores on employment tests are designed to give you confidence in the accuracy of the information far beyond what you can reasonably expect to get from interviews. Using a psychometric test or a series of psychometric tests won't solve all your business problems, but they sure can help with a bunch of them. We put together a series of video tutorials that are full of best practices that can show you how at reverseriskconsulting.com. Check them out.